Hello, sir. So this is how we enter the property. That's our buildings over there, sir, under construction. And this road directly leads to the outer ring road, which is exactly 200 meters from here. And this side, it will take you to the Lapur. So we enter from here. And mention you, this is a 120 feet proposed road. Currently, it will be something around 30 to 40 feet. That's the reason we even left the setbacks for that, so that the road occupies somewhere around till here. You can see the blue back there. So this is where the road will end, the government road, and this is our project. So that's tower 1 here, and that's tower 2. So as I've already told you over the phone, it's a 2-acre land, 2.5 precisely, and we are coming up with 2 towers. And can you see that buildings over there? So that's our nearest landmark, which is called Birla Open Mind School. So see, let's enter. So this is tower 1, which is the second floor is under construction, and as I told you already, it's 8-storied each, both the buildings. And see, the minimum size here is 16-17, which will be in this tower currently. So this tower, though it is 8 floors, but it gets 8 apartments on a floor. So 8 into 8 is 64 apartments on this tower. So yeah, this again is tower 2. Continue from tower 1. Shown you that far, right? So as I told you, this is again 8-storied each, but this has 10 apartments on a floor. So 10 into 8, which is 80. So 64 plus 80 is 144 on a whole. So it's currently the 5th floor slab is on, actually 4th floor, I'm sorry. Now you can ask me why this one is, the progress of this one is slow. The thing is, I think I will already show you the brochure. So this even has amenities in it, like the clubhouse is right next to this tower, which is also under construction simultaneously with this tower, and also they're having sewage and water treatment plants and dumps, and also the ramps to get inside and out of the cellar. Yeah, so these are all under construction simultaneously with this tower. So that's what is getting delayed, whereas that tower has nothing in, to build apart from the building, which is why the progress is higher. But anyway, as per RERA, all the apartments or all the towers should be delivered at the same point of time. So which will be delivering it, both of them at the same point, rather when this gets constructed first and be delivering it at that. No, I'll take you inside. And before we go, as you could see, this tilt here, so this is for parking, and there's another cellar beneath this one, which is also for the parking. So technically apartments are for the first floor. So let's go inside. Right, so we are in the lift lobby of tower 2, as you could see. So the portion of the area below this is a common area, which will be totally landscaped, and it will be totally open to sky, as you could see, which generates a lot of ventilation, light for the apartments. So this is the lobby here, you could call it the lift lobby, and so that part over there, so those will be lifts, actually 2 lifts here, and there will be 2 lifts over here. So totally there are 4 lifts for this tower exclusively. And you can see this is a H-shaped design, where you got a corridor over there, and you also get a corridor over here. So this lobby, what I spoke to you, will connect both the corridors. So it's a H-shaped design, 2 lines in between this one. So this corridor here, or this, has 3 east facing apartments, 1, 2 and 3 to that corner, and 2 west facing apartments, as in 1 there and 1 to the other side. So total 5 for this corridor, and there will be 5 to other corridor, which makes 10 on this tower, or on this floor actually. Okay, so let me show you the floor plan of 1919, which is the second biggest sizes here. So this is a east facing apartment of 1919. I'm sorry if you hear some noises, it's on the side actually. So this technically is your living area and that's dining area combined. So you get a straight. That's how you enter. That's your entrance. And as I told you already, this is an east facing apartment. So this corner is your kitchen. And next to this is your utility area. So our border ends somewhere at that transformer, no? And that road it will lead to the Vattinagalpalli, and I think you could see the Wipro towers, here. If I can show you in the video, that's a 50 feet proposed road you could see. Yeah, coming back to the apartment, so we've covered the kitchen, and this here is the master bedroom, which is which has a balcony for this. This is your balcony, and again we come to the entrance of the project here, and that's a 120 feet proposed road, which I told you will lead to the outer ring road over there. And this has an attached toilet as well. And again you have another balcony in the living area. Coming back, the two other bedrooms are on this side. So this is the second bedroom which has an attached toilet and also a balcony. So the balcony seems to be connected, but once the construction is done, you're gonna get walls here and also here, where it will be independent or individual rather than what you see now as it's connected. So it's for the elevation purpose they made it like this. They've shown it without any gaps, but usually you can't access the area other than after this there will be a wall here. And now that's the third bedroom opposite to this. But before we go, this is the common toilet, as this bedroom doesn't have any toilet. The third bedroom, what you call. So while I'm shooting this video at 4 p.m. and you could see the ample of lighting inside the apartment. This is ample light. I'm sorry. Though being this is an east facing apartment where the sun is almost got to the other side. And then I'll show you a almost finished apartment where currently the painting was going on. Just hold on. So this is an east facing apartment of size around 1600. So which is almost for completion. So you can see the tiling work is also done, and as you can see the painting is also done. You can see the reflection of light, which is better than what we saw on the second floor, which is still under construction. And this is also in the east facing, the same kind of floor plan what we saw. Enter from there, and this is your living area, and comes the this part can be dining. And that again will be a second living area right next to the balcony. But as you observe, this is in the first floor, which I have already told you over the phone, I think so, where the apartments on the first floor are shorter in size, and also the balconies are not extended. As you could see in the second floor, the balconies are extended a bit. Right here. So again, see, this is will be your kitchen. Something east facing. You go to this corner. That's your tap session there, tap area or what you call for the tap. And then there goes your wash area. Then comes your master bedroom, which has a toilet. So as you've seen on the second floor, doesn't have any balcony like that. As this is shorter in size, it gets only one balcony. And again, this is your second bedroom. It also gets an attached toilet here. And like I said, this also doesn't have any balcony as you've seen in the second floor, as being a shorter in size, but you get a window over there. And the same way as you see in the top, it has a common toilet